If you're a beginner lash artist and you're overwhelmed trying to choose the perfect lash course, this video is for you. Because not all courses are created equal. Not only can I help you save time, money, and frustration. Step 1. Decide what kind of lash artist you want to be. Before you even look at a course, ask yourself this: what style do I actually want to be known for? There's so many types of lash artists, from mega volume artists to anime and wispy artists to natural and soft glam artists. And there's no better artist. It's honestly what fits best to you. And why this matters: when you niche down and focus on one style, you stand out faster, you build confidence, and you learn how to sell your services more clearly. And trust me, you can always explore other styles later, but focus on one first and master it. Step number 2. Find artists who teach the style that you want. Once you find the style you want, go out and look for artists who offer that style. Pro tip: create a simple spreadsheet where you add the course price, the location, what's included, what's their work like, what's their teaching style, their vibe. And remember, you're not just buying a course, you're buying a mentor, and alignment is key to success. Step 3. Weigh the pros and cons. Ask yourself, do I want an in-person or an online course? How far is this training from me? Location matters. Does their teaching style make sense to me? And do I actually like their work and results? And if all fails and something feels wrong, trust that feeling. Step 4. In-person versus online courses. Honestly, I recommend both, but in a specific order. Start in person if you can. Remember, lashing is very technical, so hands-on training and guidance is important. You need someone in real time correcting your mistakes, as to why I recommend in person if you can't start with that. Once you understand the basics, then invest in online education. Online courses are amazing for learning new techniques, seeing different perspectives, and refining your style. Or you can even start off by learning for free, like the content I share here on my channel. The link is down below in the box. I offer a free lash course for you to binge. That way you can get some exposure before investing more money into other trainings. And step number 5, learn by being the client. This is another underrated way to choose a mentor. Go get your lashes done. I've had many students come to me as clients first. That gives them the opportunity to experience my work, my setup, my vibe, and then they decide they would like to learn from me, and we move on from there. That's real life vetting. Final advice: don't overthink it. Get proactive, make a pro and cons list, pick one path, and commit. And remember, practice is what actually makes you good. So practice is key to mastering the lash artist craft. It's not about the most expensive course or the bigger name. It's about practicing and perfecting your skill and learning from a good instructor. If this video helped you, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below what kind of lash artist you are trying to become. I read all my comments, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Tatiana Garcia. I've been a lash artist for over 10 years now, and it was a pleasure hanging out with you. Bye!